What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Jacob Balava. In today's video, chill video lang tayo. I'm just gonna take you through yung legs and back workout ko. So, may konting exercise tayo sa legs and may konting exercises tayo sa back. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo like how I normally train, and this is just a small part of my program. So, let's get it. Okay guys, so pag nagle-legs ako, usually foam roll ko muna yung mga tight areas. Tapos medyo konti sa quads, no? Kasi mag-heavy squats tayo today. Light stretching lang, cardio, pang warm up. Tapos yun na. Okay, so first workout natin, squats. We're gonna go a bit heavy. Kaya ako nagni-knee pads or knee sleeves ako kung medyo mabigat. Kasi, better safe than sorry na lang. Kaysa sa, di ba, ma-injure pa tayo or what. Kaya ako nag-iingat ako lalo sa tuhod ko. So, knee sleeves, paano mo ito suotin? Simple lang guys. Kunin mo yung tag. Tapos, lagay mo lang siya here. Sa dulo ng foot, ganyan, suot. Tapos, pag nasuot mo na, 1, 2, 3, pull. Tapos yan, ayusin mo na lang to dito. Alright, so before tayo mag-squat, mag-light warm-up muna tayo. So ginagawa ko usually jump rope. Hindi naman matagal pag umakit na yung heart rate ko, sa titigil. Pang warm-up lang talaga, pang painit lang talaga. So before the workout, nagpa-pre-workout ako. So ang laman nito ngayon is diamatized pre-workout, one of my favorite pre-workouts. May creatine and a little bit of citrulline malate for better pumps. So yeah, let's drink some of this. Hindi ko rin siya inaubos kaagad kasi mas gusto ko yung gradually sinisip on ko para maintain yung energy. Kasi minsan pag iniinom ko kaagad, tapos sumipa kaagad, tapos mawala yung momentum ko, hindi, medyo nasasayang. Every time I do a heavy set, nagsisip ako. Okay guys, so for squats, I do warm up a lot kasi gusto ko munang makuha yung movement pattern down. I wanna warm up my whole body before I go into a heavy set. Kasi we're gonna go heavy dito and we're gonna be doing around 6 reps. So medyo high volume rin siya considering the weight na gagamitin natin. Now for our squat stance, I'll be using a wider stance, mas naka-point outward. So ayan guys, more posterior chain, more glute focused versus this one. Ito yung pang quads talaga. So again, ganito tayo mag-squat. From a different angle, as you can see, ayan, pointed outward a bit and a bit wider. So another warm-up set tayo, 20 kg. Ako kasi guys, sanay na ako sa squat, so this is a warm-up for me. And I squat 2 times a week. Sa program ko, 2 times a week ako nagsasquat. Also, pinapakiramdaman ko rin yung tuhod ko. Kasi mahirap na guys, kaya rin ako naka-knee pads. Mahirap na kung ma-injure ka pa, diba? Lalo na sa panahong to. Okay. So, ito, putting down the weights. Ito na yung main sets natin. So I'm squatting around 110 kg, so that's around 200 plus pounds. Okay, so key points I want you guys to remember: bago kayo bumaba sa squat, dapat secure kayo, dapat ready kayo, dapat tight core, and dapat feet planted bago kayo bumaba. Okay, kasi guys, sobrang daming na-injure kasi hindi pa sila masyadong ready, tapos bumababa na sila kagad. So from a different angle, tingnan nyo, set up, stable, secure, big inhale, hold breath, big exhale sa taas. Ganun lang ang breathing natin guys. Big inhale, hold breath, down, exhale at the top. Now guys, you may be wondering para saan yung belt. Marami magtatanong yan. It's really to support the core, to brace the core, no? So, additional support lang siya, lalo na kung mabigat. Kasi pag mabigat na, mas delikado kung walang belt. Now for this next clip, sineset up ko yung pang Romanian deadlifts ko. Kasi guys, ito yung preference ko kung paano ko siya ginagawa. Now we're done with squats. Yung next workout natin, Romanian deadlifts. So nakita nyo sa likod ko, yan, yung plates nilagay ko dyan. Gusto ko kasi mas mataas yung inaapakan ko para mas malayo yung range of motion pag nag-Romanian deadlifts ako. So hindi ito yung conventional deadlift na binabagsak mo. Ito yung slow and controlled na mas pinapatama mo talaga yung hamstrings mo. It's more of a hamstring movement rather than a back movement. Pero may back pa rin siya. Pero the way I execute it, more hamstrings talaga yung dapat tamaan. So as you can see guys, ganito ko sineset up yung Romanian deadlifts ko. Ito talaga yung preference ko. I love doing these kasi nafe-feel ko talaga siya sa hamstrings. So inaapakan ko yung plate so medyo mataas siya. Then I bring the barbell and the plates just below my feet. Hindi ko pinapatama sa ground. I keep the bar as close to my shins as possible. Tapos yung bar path niya talagang vertical lang. Also, you have to remember that to feel this movement, you have to hinge first before you bend the knees. So, tingnan nyo, butt out bago ko i-bend yung knees. Talagang nabibigay niya yung full stretch and talagang tumatama siya sa hamstrings. So, you guys can try this out if nahirapan kayo sa matamaan yung hamstrings nyo. Now, from a different angle, tingnan nyo guys. Tinanggal ko yung belt ko dito. And one thing that you should also be doing is to stabilize your core, neutral spine. Dapat hindi nagki-cave, dapat hindi nagbe-bend. Kasi medyo masakit to sa lower back eh. And if nagki-cave, ibig sabihin masyadong mabigat yung weight na ginagamit mo. Now, check out this angle para makita nyo, no? Yung bar path, straight. Tapos again, you focus on butt out, then slight bend of the knees. You do this slow and controlled. Okay, so tapos na tayo mag-legs. Simple lang naman guys. Lower body talaga yung first half natin. Tapos ngayon magbaback tayo. Now, ito yung pinaka-annoying part of these knee pads. Yung tatanggalin mo siya. Tapos sobrang init niya. Sobrang tight kasi. So, sobrang pawis niya. Sobrang pawis na tuhod ko. Palit muna tayo. Tapos, let's go to the back exercises. So, now tapos na tayo sa legs. Magbaback naman tayo. So, yung next natin is gonna be pull-ups. Pull-ups, tapos some seated cable rows, and then magba-biceps tayo. Alright, so tanggalin ko na yung pump covers kasi magba-back day na tayo. Okay, so currently bulking tayo, so medyo chunky na ako. So for pull-ups, yung ginagawa ko, sineset ko yung width ng grip ko. Not too wide, also not too narrow. Yung saktong pang pull-up lang talaga. I try to bring my chest as close as possible to the bar. Yun yung full range of motion ko. Tapos binibigay ko talaga yung stretch sa baba. Now yung challenge sa cage ko guys is tumatama yung paa ko sa floor. Pero ginagawa ko is, hinuhook ko na lang, kinocross ko na lang yung legs ko. Now, pag nakaganto, kailangan mas aware ka sa pagsiswing. So I have to tighten my core each rep. Kasi guys, if you take a look, kung you let the legs swing, hindi nyo i-control yung core and yung legs, magsiswing yan eh. Papangit yung form eh. And mas less activation on the targeted muscles, which are the lats and the back, diba? So I do this for 48 reps total, as few sets as possible. So 12 ko siya ginagawa. This is my third set. As you can see, medyo napapagod na. Kasi ito yung isa sa mga pinaka-nakakapagod na exercises for me. Lalo na at my current weight. One tip that I can give you guys kung nahihirapan kayo mag-pull-ups, gamitan nyo muna ng bands para madali. Or kunin nyo lang yung negatives. So next workout na gagawin natin, seated cable row. So kita nyo, sinet up ko na dito. Ito yung itsura. So gagamitin ko yung V-grip for this exercise. Tapos tingnan nyo yung setup. Ginamit ko yung heaviest set of dumbbells ko. Gagawin ko siyang tungkod para mamimic niya yung seated row machine sa mga gym. Diba? You have to make the most of what you have. Diba? So let's talk about the seated cable rows. Let's talk about grip first. So as you can see guys, hindi ko siya masyadong gina-grip tight kasi I want to limit bicep activation. Gusto ko talaga ma-target yung lats ko. Now later on, gagamit ako ng straps, hindi ko na mapapakita. Pero usually pag mas mabigat na yung weight and nag-give out na yung fingers ko, gagamit talaga ako straps. Now, some key points that you should consider when you're doing this exercise is you want to focus on the elbows leading. So, mind-muscle connection, it takes some practice, pero you want to really focus on the elbows leading the exercise. Also, as much as possible, ginagawa ko, kiniklip ko yung arms ko or iniipit ko yung armpits ko. Kasi this targets my lats talaga during the movement. One tip that I also have is to record yourself. Guys, kasi yung back, hindi nyo nakikita yan compared to your other lifts pag nasa harap kayo ng mirror. And some of you guys may struggle with back exercises. Kaya ang tip ko talaga, take a video para makita mo kung na-engage ba talaga yung back mo. Okay guys, so quick physique update tayo. Ito yung itsura natin ngayon. Currently, sa video na to, 183 pounds. ina-enjoy ko sobra yung pagkain tsaka yung buhat. Kasi the more food that you eat in terms of carbs, ganyan, the more nalalakas ka in terms of your lift. So, I've been feeling the effects of more food. So, ganda ng lifts ko. As you can see from this different lighting, okay pa rin naman siya. Hindi pa naman sobrang nawawala yung abs. But you can see na may konting fat gain, no? Nakikita mo na medyo may chunks lang sa lower back, ganyan, and sa lower abs na nawawala na yung definition. But that's definitely part of it, guys. Kung magbabulk kayo, expect nyo na magkaganon kung gusto nyo talaga ng resulta. Back is pretty pumped. So for our last workout, bicep curls tayo. This is actually my favorite bicep movement kasi talagang nafe-feel ko siya, tsaka favorite ko siya tingnan sa harap ng mirror. What I do is I curl slowly, tapos tinitwist ko sa top ng movement para mas matamaan yung bicep peak. Favorite ko rin yung hammer curls, guys, kasi this helps me make my biceps look thicker from the front. Okay, hindi yung from the side. Kasi yung biceps ko mukha siyang mapayat from the front eh. So, I work on it talaga. Soon, pag makakuha ako ng easy curl bar, mag-i-incorporate din ako ng mga ibang bicep movements para hindi tayo puro dumbbells. Okay, so yun yung workout natin. Simple lang naman. Yung overall volume ko or yung number of reps and sets na ginagawa ko, calculated yan, nakasulat yan. So, pag may araw na kunwari hindi ko feel mag-squat, nililipat ko siya. So, this day, actually inano ko siya. Yung workouts ko medyo iniba ko yung order. Para rin lang ma-refresh. Kasi minsan pag pare-pareho yung order na ginagawa mo, week in, week out, nakaumay din. So in terms of food naman, consistent tayo. Basta hinihit ko yung protein ko, hindi ako masyadong strict sa ibang sources. And so, nakikisabay ako sa family ko. Right now, habang nagpapalaki, it's easier na kumain ako with them and the food that they're eating. Pero syempre, conscious pa rin ako sa overall fat intake ko. Pero dinadamihan ko yung carbs ko, yung kanin ko, tsaka yung protein ko, garantisado ako na nai-hit ko at least 0.8 ng body weight ko. So, I'm around 183 now. And ayun, I feel good. The workouts have been good. Kasi guys, honestly, alam ko naman mahirap yung situation ngayon. Pero dito ko kasi dinadaan dito ko binubuhos lahat eh. So, if you guys are struggling or nahirapan kayo, sana wag kayo mawala ng hope. Ito yung tough times, and pag tough times kasi diyan ka talaga mag-i-improve eh. Diyan ka talaga gagaling, diyan ka talaga lalakas eh. Sa mga panahong to, despite na mahirap siya, kung magawa mo talaga yung dapat mong gawin, maset mo yung goals mo, makuha mo yung targets mo, mag-focus ka talaga sa, let's say, body composition mo, sa life mo, all aspects, fitness, work, and everything. Promise guys, pag makatawid ka sa mahirap na part na to, nowhere to go but up. So yun guys, yun lang naman yung workout. Gusto ko lang mag-vlog, na feel ko lang i-share yung workout ko tsaka yung mga tips ng workouts na pwede nyo ma-apply sa workouts nyo, no? So bago kayo dito, please hit that subscribe button and leave me a like. Comment down below ano yung mga favorite back and leg exercises nyo. Share nyo sa atin. And I'll see you guys in the next video.